In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Made with Carrd.co watermark. Before we start, there's one important requirement to know. Hiding the watermark is a Carrd Pro feature. You'll need a Pro standard plan or higher. If you're on the free plan, the option to remove the watermark won't be available. First, upgrade to Pro, log into your Carrd account and look for the upgrade option at the top of the dashboard. Click it, choose the Pro plan that fits your needs and complete the payment. Once your upgrade is confirmed, refresh your dashboard or editor so the Pro features unlock on your account. If you were already in the editor, simply reload the page to make sure you see the new options. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're working on the correct one tied to your Pro subscription. Next, open your site's settings. From your dashboard, open the site you want to edit so it loads in the Carrd editor. In the editor, click Settings, then choose General. This is the area where global options for your site live, and it's where the watermark control appears once you're on Pro. Take a moment to glance through the General panel so you're familiar with where things are located. Now remove the watermark. In the General settings, look for the branding or watermark control that becomes available with Pro. Toggle off the Made with Carrd watermark so it no longer appears on your published site. After you switch it off, apply or save your changes. If your goal is to make it less noticeable rather than fully remove it, there's an alternative approach. Match the watermark to your background color. You can do this by adjusting your site's background color so the watermark blends in. This isn't the same as removing it, but it can help it fade into the design if you prefer a subtle look. Once you've made your change, preview your site in the editor and then publish to push the update live. Open the live link in a new browser tab or on your phone to confirm the watermark is gone or blended as intended. If you still see it, try a hard refresh or clear your cache, since older versions can linger temporarily. Remember, if you're not on a Pro plan, the remove option won't appear, so verify your plan status in your account if the toggle is missing. That's it. With a Pro plan and a quick settings adjustment, your Carrd site can look clean and brand-free in just a few minutes.